Hey yo, God got a special gift for everybody. You just gotta find it and use it to your ability. God knows everybody's past and future and the struggles that we go through and face daily. We need to bow down and pray to every day to make sure that the words that we speak are from the heart. God is good all the time. No matter what we do or say, He's on our side. Never think that He's not paying attention to us or giving up on us. He made everything the way He made it for a reason. We need to pray for God for having to deal with us when we have bad thoughts or do bad things. God is always around 24/7. So pray to Him wholeheartedly and let Him do His works, because we need Him at the end of the time and at the end of the day. God is good. I always remember that, man. These words from the Killer, man, 100. I did everything under the sun. But you know what? I'ma bow down, man. I surrender, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just working, helping take care of my family, doing what's right, doing what's good. You know what I mean? Like, God is everything, man. God is the universe, man, everything. So, if you got time, take 2 hours out of your week, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is, and pray to God, because we need Him. Everybody needs God, you know. So with that said, man, God bless everybody, man. Love all y'all, man. Peace.